Most important meal of the day, breakfast. Welcome to my channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. What is going on, y'all? Ebony here again with another video. I am going to take out my lock knots and just do a style before I head out to church. I don't know what it's gonna be, so we're in this thing together, okay? All right.
Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Tyler Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, deal, no maybe. In the meantime, I go where I want. Some me time. Hope you do what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shut over my cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, get a little baby. In the meantime, I go where I want. Get some me time. I wanna be doing what you want. Might have been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Get some me time.
Okay, so here's what we got so far. Right now, the only thing I've done was moisturized and oiled and took out the actual knot. So I still have in my 2-strand twist, and I got a little curl at the bottom. So not necessarily a bob, well, you can call it that, but a shorter one. And yeah, this is actually pretty cute too. But I think I do want to do something. Maybe put it up. We'll see. Now, y'all know what I said made absolutely no sense. What I'm talking about, a longer bob. That was not a bob. That was just hair being down. But anyway, y'all get what I was trying to say, I reckon.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I'm honest in my love with you. I won't please you any way I can. I want you in my world, don't you understand? Love is no one in a million. It goes on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. I should've drop it. But I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give us something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but
Okay, I gotta hurry up and do this because I need to go to church. But this is the final product. I ended up putting up all my hair so I could put on my earrings. This is a product of my old homemate Brie. The brand is Imani Cowrie. I will leave a link down below. I absolutely love her earrings. They're 3D printed, so they're super lightweight. Yeah, so I hope you like this look. Hope you like this look. Hope you like this look. Okay, I gotta go to church. Y'all be blessed. Y'all be blessed. Y'all be blessed, and y'all be safe this week. Peace. Y'all, I just got back from church, and what's crazy is I was telling you I was doing my hair to get ready for church, and I didn't even tell you what church I go to. I go to True Vine Bible Fellowship in Lompoc, California. I will leave the address down below and a link to their Facebook page. But yeah, I just had to make sure I came back to tell you that. All right. Have a great week and a blessed week. For real, for real, for real this time. Peace.